Hey, what's up guys, in this video we will be unboxing the Samson Meteorite microphone which cost me around 3707 rupees from Amazon. Let's quickly open the box pack and here you will find the microphone only. It's a two-piece design. The main part of the microphone has a built-in USB cable. Also it's made up of very shiny reflective plastic which looks like a metal. Now the second part of the mic is the magnetic base. So the top part connects magnetically to the bottom part and it can be swirled around at different angles. It has a cardioid pattern, which means it only picks up the sound from the front only. The cable is quite short but it's acceptable. Now the main part is sound test. The whole video was recorded on Samson Meteorite with some basic noise reduction. Well, I will be using this mic for my upcoming videos. If you enjoyed the video, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content coming soon. Don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.